Welcome back. Now that you understand basic file operations, you can either import a Camtasia recording file into the editing screen, or you can record your screen and it will be automatically added to the editing screen that you are seeing, or you can record your screen and it will be automatically added to this editing screen. Once we have the recording file in place that we're going to work with, what we're going to want to do is to save this as a new project file. And to do that, we'll go to File. We'll then save this as a project in a file location that allows us to organize our projects. And we'll then click Save. Camtasia will tell us that our project file has been saved. Now, whenever we go to work with this particular Camtasia project, the desktop software will remember where the recording file is going to be stored. Now, for the sake of this video, we're going to exit this particular Camtasia project. And we can do that again by just clicking New Project. And Camtasia will revert back to the untitled project for you to start a new process. Now, if you were to move the recording file into a new directory, in this case, we're going to move it into a different directory, and then you were to go and reopen the Camtasia project that you just set up, one of the things you'll notice is that the recording file is coupled with the project file when you click on it, so that when you click again on the new project, you'll still see the recording file available to you inside of your project. This is an improvement over earlier editions where if the recording file had been moved, Camtasia would require you to go and find the recording file and re-add it to the project. And indeed, you'll see this anytime that you click on a project file from your file manager. You're also going to see the accompanying recording files with that project file. And we will demonstrate this a third time. And you'll see again that coupled with the project file is the recording file inside of the project area. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.